Hey everybody! Today we're going to be talking about the nutrient medium and our Trypticase or Tryptic soy medium that we're going to be using in class. And really, when it comes to these two types of media, basically these are standard growth media that we use with the basic purpose of growing stuff. So because of that, they don't really have a pH indicator in them and they don't have any type of selective component to them. They're basically just packed full of nutrients, again, for the basic purpose of growing things. So when it comes to the two types, again, we have a nutrient type and we have a tryptic soy type medium that we have. They're basically exactly the same, except that the nutrient type medium that we use generally is made with either a yeast or a beef extract. And then the Trypticase soy one is made with things like pancreatic digest of casein and then an enzymatic digest of soybean meal. And with that in mind, again, we just get a slightly different set of nutrient sources. But overall, again, the basic purpose is the same. They're just there to grow stuff. So this is going to be the most common type of medium that we're going to be using in our lab throughout the semester. And basically the way that we pick either one, whether it's going to be the nutrient one or if it's going to be the Trypticase one, it's just availability. Whichever one we have available, we'll just use that one because, again, it's just for growing stuff. And with that in mind, again, there's not a specific type that we really have. It comes in all sorts of different versions, again, so we can have our plate types, we can have the liquid broths, we can have the slant type, or we can even have the deep type that we can use for the different kinds of tests that we do in the lab. And again, of course, if we're going between something like a broth or any one of our solid ones, we just have to add agar to it in order to solidify our specific medium. But really, again, when it comes to either the nutrient broth, our nutrient medium or the Trypticase medium, it's just the basic constituents that are a little bit different, but the overall purpose is the same. It's just to grow stuff within the lab, so there's no selected components, no pH indicators, we're just growing stuff. But I think that's going to cover everything that I need to talk about in reference to our nutrient medium and our Trypticase soy medium.